Here's the spreadsheet we developed for question 5 in Unit 14. A stock price changes each year. It's $100, then $50, then $100, and so on. We have two choices. We have $20,000 to invest. One possibility is to invest the money all at once. If we buy $20,000 worth of stock at the beginning, and share prices are $100, then we'll buy 200 shares of stock. Then at the end of the period of time, we'll sell our 200 shares of stock for $100 apiece and get back our original $20,000. The other possibility is to invest $5,000 each year. Here we have a formula that takes $5,000 and divides it by the share price to find out how many shares we can buy with our $5,000. We use this formula in each of these cells to find out how many shares we buy each year. More when the price is low, less when the price is high. This column keeps track of the total number of shares we've bought so far. 50 plus another 100 makes 150, and so on. And at the end of the 4 years, we have 225 shares. When we sell the 225 shares for $100 apiece, we end up with a total of $22,500. This is better than the lump sum strategy of investing the $20,000 all at once. And so in that example, it turned out that time averaging was a good idea. In question 6, we have exactly the same setup, except that share prices change differently. According to the problem, they start at 100, rise to 102, then to 107, next to 108, and finally at the end of the period to 110. The rest of our calculations still stand, but in this case the results are reversed. If we buy $20,000 worth of stock at the very beginning, that's 200 shares, and sell it at the end, we end up with $22,000. If we invest $5,000 each year, we end up with only 192 shares. And when we sell those for $110 apiece, we end up with $21,125. In this case, lump sum investing was better than time averaging. And it's pretty easy to see why. In this example, stock prices continually went up. If stock prices are going to go up each year, it's best to put our money in as early as possible to get the benefit of the full rise. Time averaging left some of the money out of the market where it was earning nothing, instead of taking advantage of the increases in those first 2 or 3 years. So, is time averaging better, or is lump sum investing better? That depends on how the market will move.